In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add gradient to any part in CorelDraw. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about CorelDraw tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to add gradient to part in CorelDraw. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go to your toolbar right here. Okay, so I'm going to click and hold down. So I'm going to use ellipse. Okay, then you have to come to the workspace and press Ctrl key down to draw a perfect circle. Okay, now we have to centralize this circle. For us to do that, we just need to press P, letter P on your keyboard. This allows you to center any shapes or text into the CorelDraw midpoint. Okay, now the next thing we want to do here is to increase the stroke width of this particular circle. For us to do that, we have to come to the top right here. Then we can increase to whatever size of our choice. So I'm going to take this to 20 width, or better still, I can type in a figure right here. So right here, I will just type in 40 and press enter. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied with this type of width. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to convert this particular circle into shape. Okay, for us to do that, we have to go to object from the top right here. Then from object, we have to make sure we look for convert outline to object. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Now we have successfully converted the outline to object. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we navigate to our toolbar right here. We click and hold down right here, and we make sure we look for interactive fill. Then we can come to the property from the top right here. We can choose gradient. When we choose fonting fill, you see that the part has changed the color from white, from black to white. Now we can change the color to another color of our choice. So for us to do that, we simply click on the circle right here, this rectangle right here, and then this is going to pop up. Then we can from here choose another color. So we can decide to change this to this type of blue. Then we can also come here and we click on here. We can change this to the same type of color. So for us to do that, we just need to use this eye color drop. So we take this to here and just to sample the color. Then we have everything right here. Now we want to add additional color to this particular fill. We just need to double click the area we want to add. Then it's going to add a box. So we can drag the box to any area or any angle we want it to be. Now we want to change the color of this one right here. We simply click on here, and the color palette is going to pop up. Then from here we can choose another color of our choice. Boom, so it automatically updates. So right here we can control the grid, the fill. So we can use this arrow here to adjust everything about this particular shape right here. Okay, so once we satisfy, we simply exit from there. Now what we can do here is that this particular gradient here, we can also apply it to text in CorelDraw. So for us to do that, we simply go to our type tool. Then we can make a type. So gradient. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl A to highlight. I will make it bold. Okay, then I will simply increase the font size. So for me to increase the font size, I will just drag this way. Then I'm good. Next thing we want to do here is to simply copy, so this particular gradient here, to copy it into the text and fill in with this particular gradient. It's as simple as that. So that's what we are going to do. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to make sure that the text is active. Then we have to go back to the circle right here. Then we have to make sure we make the circle active. Then we press Shift key on our keyboard. Then we right click. Then we drag it to the text this way. Boom. So it automatically fills it with the gradients. So it's as simple as that. We can also do the same with another shape. So let's, for instance, we select our rectangle right here. So I'm going to draw another rectangle this way, then we can also increase the rectangle size, so we can make it about same size with the circle, which is 40. So I'll come to the top here and type in 40, then press enter. Then we have to also make sure we convert the outline to shape. For us to do that, we have to go to object from the top here, then we make sure we click on convert outline to object, and then we have it this way. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on this particular circle to make it active. Then we press shift key on our keyboard and we right click, then we take it to this particular rectangle. Boom, everything is going to be fill automatically. So this is how to fill gradient to any part in CorelDraw, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about CorelDraw tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.